Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. Today is February 1st, 2020. This is our second strategy for today. As stated earlier in the first strategy that we will release two strategies today. Both strategies will be posted on the old and the new channel. So one has been posted here and the other one will be posted here. So this is a link to sign up for a free trader account to test the strategies on demo, and this is a link to download the timer, the trading timer on our forum website. So these are the rules for this strategy. These are the rules. So let's get back to the trading. Don't forget to subscribe to both channels for more upcoming strategies. Just hit the subscribe button. So after signing up for a free trader account using this link, so make sure you use the webtrader to trade for you to be able to see all the interface. So let's open the trade. Go to Volatility 25 index. We'll place just a few trades because of the time. I have to get some rest. We'll place like 3 or 4 trades here. So here we're going to go to in and out. Then we'll click on goes outside right here. Goes outside. Then our duration remains 2 minutes. So here we'll set this one to minus 0.900. Then this one will be plus 0.658. It's stated here. If you go here, you see everything. You can see 0.658. Then the low barrier offset will be. So here we are going to click on, I'm going to be staking. I will leave this as 10. Our net profit is we'll be making 18.3%. If I change this to 100, we'll make about $15. So let me use trade with 100 in the first trade, and the second trade I'll change it back to 10. Depends on what you have in your account. So I'm going to click on purchase right now, and I'm going to click on view. So we have to wait. What this means is these are entry spots. So if this indicator, this is the current spot, if it goes below this, we'll make profit, and if it goes higher than the entry spot, we'll also make profit. So it's in 276221 now. So if it is in, you can see it's already going higher. It's close to the higher barrier. If it hits 5, you can see it, we've already made the profit because our exit spot was 646, while the higher barrier was 514. So it has exited the higher barrier. That's why we make profits already. So if it goes below this too, we also make profit. So that's our first trade. So let's place like 3 more trades and we will stop. So let's go for trade number 2. Let's wait for like a minute. So once the time is 5:29, we click on purchase, or just few seconds. Let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, let's click on purchase now. Let's view. So these are entry spots 276.755. So we're in 79. So if it goes below 275875, we'll make profit. If it's higher than 277433, we'll also make profit. Still have some minutes left. 275. So you can see it went below the low barrier, so we already hit profit there. That's plus 18.34. So let's go for a few more trades. Let's go for like 2 trades more. So let's wait for like about a minute or 50 something seconds before we click on purchase again. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels for more upcoming strategies. So let's go for the third trade. After this we'll go for the last trade. I need to get some rest. So this is the entry spot 275.534. This is the low barrier and this is the higher barrier. Well, we almost hit the higher barrier right now. So 276. Once it exits 192, we close the trade. 107, this is the last number. It's going down again. 275. Seven 6 113 342. So we already exited the high barrier, so we hit profit there. You can see plus 18.3. This is the entry spot. This is the high barrier we set. So this is once it goes, this is the entry spot. Once this exit spot goes below this, we hit profit. Once it goes above this, we hit profit. So these are entry spots and this is the exit spot. The exit spot was higher than the higher barrier, so we hit profit. So that's the third. Let's go for the last trade. That's trade number 4. So let's wait for about 50 seconds again. As you can see, we'll make about $20 because the first trade I staked 100 USD and the profit was 15.555. While the other trades we made 1.55 twice. So we're going to go for the last trade now. Okay, so that's the final trade. So this is the entry spot, the 76. This is the current spot. This is the high barrier. So once it's 277.417, the trade will be closed, and once it's 275.859, it will also be closed. 276. We are close. 198, 136, 113, 181, 219, 290, 173, 225, 201. You can see we won that trade again because our exit spot was 277.545, while the high barrier we set was 277.417. So we won all the trades. As you can see, the strategy is 100% guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Bye.